We're camping at Turtle Mountain Provincial Park at Adam Lake Campground. This is Braden Bay, site number 25. It's a beautiful little site, a fair amount of privacy, and we had electrical power here. We were camping with family that needed electrical, so we figured, well, we'd stay in the same bay. It was only $5 a night more. Beautiful little campground, nice place to stay. So if you ever need something different to camp at, try Turtle Mountain Provincial Park, Adam Lake Campground. Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are
on the off-ramp.
And in today's video, we are visiting Adam Lake in the Turtle Mountain Provincial Park.
Do you know where that is? It's a popular campground for people on the west side of Manitoba.
It's a short drive from Brandon going south, and it's quite close to the International Peace Guards between Manitoba and North Dakota. We're spending time with family this weekend, and we're going to do some hiking.
Yeah, our family members have agreed to be guests on our YouTube channel.
Now that we have your attention, if you enjoy the videos that you're watching, please take the time to subscribe.
Hit the bell for notifications, and definitely do a thumbs up if you like the video, if it's been helpful to you, and leave a comment. We love that.
Yeah, we love to hear from you, and we'll gladly answer you back. And now let's get on with Adam Lake at Turtle Mountain Provincial Park.
All right, this is Goggin and Lindsay, my niece and nephew-in-law.
Hello.
And they are making us a full-on Indian meal. Oh, now you're cooking them right directly on the element?
The pan wasn't hot enough.
Okay, the pan didn't get hot enough.
Yep.
There's rice in this pot. So there's rice in the one pot. I think we have corn on the cob on that table. Can I lift this and see what this is? Is this the chicken?
Yeah.
Chicken is all done.
Tandoori chicken, right? This looks wonderful. Thank you, guys.
That is a Greek salad, but in Indian cuisine, if you do have a salad on the side, it is a mixture of cucumbers, onions, and tomatoes.
It's just a Greek salad without feta.
Okay.
Typically lemon dressing.
And that's typical for what you would have eaten as a salad?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is pretty much the definition of salad in India.
The definition of salad in India, Goggin tells us. There we go. But corn on the cob, was that like a...
Corn on the cob is just an us thing, because, camping.
Okay, so that's...
Corn on the cob is a universal.
Corn on the cob is universal. Did you eat corn on the cob as a kid?
Yes.
Oh, he ate corn on the cob as a kid. Thanks for doing this, guys.
You're very welcome.
Thank you, Goggin, for doing this.
You're welcome. We will enjoy this meal.
We will enjoy it. So Goggin and I were trying to solve how to heat these up.
Yes.
And these have been fried already purchased in a store, but now we wanted them to crisp up a little. So this is the closest we're getting to an oven. Is that correct, Goggin?
That is correct.
And are they getting crispy?
They are getting semi-crispy,
Okay.
which should be good. All we really care about is like the potatoes inside should be warm.
Warm, that's true.
And there should be at least a sense of crispiness.
Okay.
Of course, it may not be like as fresh out of the fryer, but
Oh, fair enough.
yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Be
Thank
good.
you. Thank you.
It's for your mom and dad, Goggin. Okay, we are on the Moose Tower Trail at Adam Lake. We're nearing the water. So we got the water, but we're looking at this tree. Who can tell us what? Where is it? That is in the tree. We think it's a bird's nest of some kind, but who can tell us what kind of bird they're trying to help out? Leave your comments below. We'd love to hear from you.
This is the gang. This is our camping gang for our weekend at Adam Lake. And we did the tower hike at Adam Lake. And these 5 think they need a rest, but I'm gonna keep walking. See you guys. Okay. Hear that sizzling. Oh yeah. Oh, do it again. I didn't know what he was doing there. Oh, lots more bacon. And then the eggs. Wade's got the veggies ready to become an omelet.
So the town of Boissevain is not too far from Adam Lake in the Turtle Mountain Provincial Campground. There is this little store on site, Fire and Ice. You can get your firewood, your ice, and your ice cream, and possibly some other snacks. So we did purchase a lot of firewood from here. So just so you know, there is something on site, but it does have limited hours. So from the parking lot, it's a 1-minute walk to the beach. You'll see a drinking water sign. Just walk through the pathway. And you're at the beach. It's a rainy day, so it's going to be empty today. And we were also planning on heading to the Peace Gardens, but because of the rain, we've decided we'll have to do that another day. Plus, we didn't bring our passports along. There's some word that they will let you through with just your driver's license, but we didn't want to take that chance either. But it's a nice little beach area in a lagoon. There's a huge play area in the distance. And we came and sat here for a few hours yesterday. It was quite nice. It's a lagoon area, which we believe has circulating water in there because we can see water bubbling up. Let's see if we can find the water here. Right dead center. So it keeps the water fresh, and it comes out of Adam Lake, which is in the background. So it's a nice little beach area and swimming area for the kids and for the adults.
Our time at Adams Lake is over. The rain kind of came faster than we wanted, but what we're doing now is working on the sewer dump. And you know what? Not all sewage dump areas or sanitation areas are as good as others. And I said to Wade, should I do a video of this? Because yeah, you know what? It's kind of good to know. For example, there's that red hose there. That's for rinsing out your sewage pipe later on. And you don't use that for drinking water. In fact, look at the directions here. I love this. Clear directions on what to do and a sign that says don't drink this water. It's only for cleaning purposes because people put the end of that into their sewer hose. You don't want to put that in your fresh water tank. As you know from previous videos, Wade has created a really good adaptation system for our van. Yeah, he cut around it and it works out really well so that then he has better access and he's not climbing on his knees in whatever people have left behind. And then further down the track, just so this is often available at the dumping stations, sometimes they have the fresh water here. Nope, this one still says non-potable, but the water that we got at the campsites that were kind of around, not at our spot, but available all over the campsites, was potable. But so watch very carefully for those signs. And so now Wade's getting rid of the stuff.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed this little brief update and information session about Turtle Mountain Provincial Park and Adam Lake.
We love visiting that spot. We didn't say how far of a drive is it from Winnipeg.
It's about 2.5 hours, about 2.5 hours southwest of Winnipeg. So, but it's a nice campground, well done, and you've seen what we liked about it. Now, we have no plans for camping in the next little while. However, we are going to be spending some time volunteering at Carith Retreats again. We've talked about Carith Retreats in the past, and it's an
opportunity for us to volunteer, serve, and we usually are. It's more than pouring coffee.
Yeah.
We end up doing a lot of cooking and serving the guests that come to basically get respite, get rest, and away from their busy lives, either as pastors or for a marriage retreat.
Yeah, and it could be any kind of a ministry. So
we're really excited to be able to serve in this way, and we work really well together in the kitchen, don't you think?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
A few marks on my feet, but other than that, it's good. No, just kidding.
I've got mosquitoes on.
If you have time, take time to volunteer somewhere. It's a great way to help back and give back to the community that you're a part of. Now, no plans for the future except for this ministry opportunity, and we will let you know when our next camping trip is heading out.
I'm pretty sure we're going to end up doing some fall camping. That's what I'm hoping.
I think so.
Yes.
So you've heard our plans, but we also know that sometimes things don't go the way we want, and we need to hold our plans loosely.